Issues in supply chain logistic management. Creating a sustainable supply chain is by using green logistics and reverse logistics.
Green logistics can be defined as supply chain management practices and strategies that reduce the environmental and energy footprint of freight distribution, meaning it concentrates on transportation issues, recycling, and reuse. It only focuses on the forward flow of the supply chain.
Reason why green logistics is important. First, transportation of the logistic operation has a significant impact on the environment, where it is about how much CO2 that vehicle, aircraft, and vessel generate. Second, serious environmental problems that have arisen from the economic growth, such as depletion of the ozone layer, disappearance of the rainforest, pollution of air and water, and scarcity of landfill. They all pose a threat to the global quality of life.
Green Logistic Information System Structure. Green Logistics Integrated Database, which is to monitor and control the enterprise product packaging, other green system evaluation indicators. Green Logistics Transport Control System, which is to evaluate the activities that are causing goods damage during the transport and also consider the environmental pollution. Green Logistics Process Control System, which is a system to monitor productions from product places to the final consumption places, such as packaging, segmentation, measurement, assembly, commodity inspection, and etc. Green Logistics Evaluation Systems are mainly for four aspects, which are the Environmental Performance Logistics System, Resource Performance Logistics System, Economic Performance Logistics System, and the Technical Performance of Logistics Systems.
Reverse logistics is defined as the process of planning, implementing, and controlling cost-effective flow of materials, in-process inventory, finished goods, and information from the point of consumption to the point of origin for the purpose of recapturing value.
Positive impact of proactive reverse logistics on profitability. Increased revenues realized from secondary sales, which means reselling materials, will give us profit. Reduced operating costs from reuse of recovered products and components. Higher asset turnover due to better management of returns inventory, meaning that we do not have to bear high holding costs.
Challenges within the reverse logistics. First, lack of local competence in inspection, evaluation, and disposition of return, where they are lacking of training, exposure, and knowledge. Second, lack of formal product returns procedure. This is because some party use their own ways of procedure without concern about the other party. Third, delayed product returns reducing their market value, means that reverse logistics is effective for the product that are still fresh and in good condition. Delaying the process can affect the condition of the product and thus reducing their value.
Audio preview.
Current issues in supply chain logistics.
Audio preview.
Halal logistics is defined as the process of managing the procurement, movement, storage, and handling of materials, parts, livestock, semi-finished or finished inventory, both food and non-food, and related information and documentation flow through the organization and the supply chain in compliance with the general principle of Sharia Islamic law. Halal logistics is similar to conventional logistic activities, comprising of planning, implementing, and controlling the distribution and storage of halal certified products, starting from the source to the point of consumption. Halal warehousing and transportation issues. The main issues of halal warehousing and transportation are contamination. Contamination happens when halal and non-halal products are sharing the same tools, truckload, and warehouse. Categories of issues in halal logistics.
First, integration among logistics service providers, which are lack of collaborative efforts among logistics service providers in ensuring unbroken halal chain, presence of haram or doubtful substance on product such as ingredients or materials during logistic activities. And lastly, different logistics service providers have different procedure practiced. Second, collaboration with JAKIM or Halal Industry Developments, which are standards set by JAKIM, are difficult to abide and not cost effective. Next, exists lack communication between JAKIM, Halal Industry Development and logistics service providers. And last, lack integration between JAKIM and Halal logistics players. Lastly, government support and promotion, which are lack of promotion or understanding among Malaysians regarding halal and halal logistics, and also lack of information on halal business and practices.
Logistic cost and performance. First, logistic and the bottom line. A strong positive cash flow has become a desired goal of management as a profit. The formula for the ROI is profit divided by capital employed. This diagram shows the logistic impact on ROI. As we can see, profit is categorized as sales revenue and cost, while capital employed is categorized as cash, net receivable, inventory, and fixed asset. Second, cost driver and activity-based costing. The key to activity-based costing is to seek out the cost drivers along the logistic pipeline that cause costs because they consume resources, meaning that cost drivers drive the cost of labor, maintenance, and other variable costs.
The global halal market is ever growing with vast, untapped cross-border trade opportunities to be explored. This in turn raises the need to promote more assured and competent halal trade and industry. To harness the immense potential of this rising market, organizations worldwide need to be well equipped with extensive resources, knowledge, competencies, and expertise in halal across all levels of the supply chain, ensuring trust, security, integrity, and assurance from start to finish.